Hey Plan Fam! Welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Tiffany. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, friends. Today we're doing a Plan With Me session in my Live Rich planner. I absolutely love doing weekly spreads in this planner and keeping my life in order. I absolutely love being able to put my entire week in one location so that I know kind of what to expect and how to plan around the various things I have going on. So let's get started. So I'm actually going to start by putting together my weekly spread, and then I'm going to come back and do my personal planning page. I like to customize these two pages and make them more useful for the purposes that I have for my household, and hopefully that gives you a few ideas on how you can make your personal planning pages better fit your lifestyle. I'm going to start off with the weekly view. And for this page, I like to start by putting in my date dots and my days of the week. The best thing about the Live Rich Planner is that it comes undated so that you can customize it as much as possible. It also allows you to put in information over here for your workouts or weekly notes, or you can change these sections around for your needs as well. Let me know in the comments below how best you like to use these pages as well. I'm going to start with these date dots from the Happy Planner. It's from one of the memory keeping books, I'm almost certain, but I've just had this in my stash for a while, and I like to use these when I don't have others. They're very simple, plain, and will go well with this spread. Okay, and now that we have our date dots in place, we're going to fill in the days of the week. I'm using the Planner Kate Days of the Week stickers, and that's the sticker number. So my day typically starts at 9 a.m. for office work. And then I am actually off every other Friday, and this coming Friday is one of those days where I am off. So I'm only going to put work hours in then for Thursday. I'm also going to go ahead and put my day off sticker there just to remind myself that I don't need to spread anything over past Thursday for work. Okay, so I've added in my days of the week and my date dots. I've also noted the day that I will be off this week. I do have, and I normally don't do this, but I do have a sticker that I want to include or work around in terms of my design. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in for my weekend. And then I've also drawn in my lines to show the hours that I worked this week. I've also put in boxes for some of the appointments that we have, but we actually have a couple more, so I'm going to add those now. And then we're going to start building out the other things that go into the week from there. So let's do it. I do plan to work out this week, and I want to track the days that I do and what I do. And then I also want to put some things here. So I'm going to create little sections over here for notes and things like that. I love these really cute markers from Erin Condren that have a little notation where you can actually create your own dots, and then it also has a regular point, fine point on the other side. I will put a link in the description below if you're interested in them, but they're great for list making. So I'm going to put some circles here on the side for me to use and be able to check off throughout the week. I absolutely love these. I also have a second one. These came in the fall seasonal surprise box, but now they're actually selling them on the website, and I think they have other colors and other indentations. So I'll link these below with one of my affiliate links in case you're interested in those. Now that I have my appointments in place, I want to go ahead and start filling in the rest of my spread before I decorate. So these are the icons that I'm going to put on the page just to note some of the social media actions that I want to track this week. I want to be sure that I'm putting out content regularly again, trying to be consistent to finish out the year. So this is just some icons and reminders on my spread that I need to get these things done each day. The other thing that I like to do is track my self-care in the evenings, and then also my meals, because I'm cooking more these days and baking, so I want to also note that on my planner. So let me also pull out something for dinner and then self-care in the evening. So I'm going to use these cute little forks and spoons from Planner Kate. And then the last thing I like to note down here are my self-care evening activities. So I'll do those in just a second. But I also want to note Sunday is football day for me. I normally just stay home, watch the game. So I'm going to put something here for that. Okay, now we've filled in quite a few things here. I've got appointments, I've got my work hours, I've got some stickers beginning to frame out what my weekend will look like. I've got my self-care stickers that I'm filling in here at the bottom. And then I'm going to come back to the top and fill in my priorities for each day, and then I can decorate and be done. I'll post a picture of the finished product on my Instagram, so make sure that you follow me there. And also, if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, anything like that, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love chatting with the Plan Fam. So definitely make sure that you connect and share your ideas and thoughts about this video and all of my videos on my channel whenever you get a chance. So I've actually got a pizza night sticker as well as a movie night sticker for Friday. Okay, for these cute little wash hair stickers from Planner Kate that I'll put there. Binge watch, and these are cute Planner Kate stickers as well. I'm going to put those for Sunday night. Now I'm going to focus in on my priorities during the day. So the first thing I like to do is put an icon to show me what I want to clean that day. Then also plan that day and if there's anything special going on that day. So let me put my icons and then fill those in as well. Going to use these cute little planner stickers by Planner Kate for my planning time each day. I think that is it in terms of filling in the information I need to right now. As I mentioned, you can follow me on Instagram to see the final page when it's done and what it looks like with all of my details and stickers and things filled in. But I'm going to go back now and just decorate, fill in the empty spaces and anything that I may need to write down before I forget. So let's finish this out, and don't tune out just yet, because then I'm also going to go back and do my personal planning pages quickly to show you how I set that up as well. That is my spread for this week. I'm going to go back, fill in all of my details so I have everything in place. I can see at a glance what I need to do every single day. I'm going to flip now back to my personal planning pages and just show you how I set this up as well for my weekly planning. Okay, so I'm going to use these to cover up some of my sections. Okay, so this is my personal planning page as well as my weekly spread for the week of October 24th through the 30th. I absolutely love the way things turned out. I'm going to go back and fill in everything. If you're interested in seeing the final product, make sure you swing over to my Instagram and follow me so you'll see what the final product looks like. I hope you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Take care, friends.